Perfect. Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. This is your host, Noor Ali, with Right Tools for Right Job. This is September 10th, 2024, 10:43 a.m. This video, blog, vlog, podcast, whatever you want to call it, okay, out there in the world. I'm going to talk about something that I came across, something that I want to share. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. Not at all. If you're an experienced engineer, if you're an experienced technical professional, if you have the tools at your hand, your smartphone, your laptop, and time. Practice, time. Remember what you have to have. Time on your hands, right? You have to have time on your hands, and you have to have time management, right? Time management. If you manage your time, you can crack it open. Basically, I call it. Anyway, first of all, like I always say, I'm grateful to Divine Spirit. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to universe, cosmos, planet Earth, and all my subscribers, viewers, and watchers out there. Okay? Now, many of you may know that I like to document everything. Mostly what I write, mostly how I think, right? Yeah, there you go. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Exactly what it says over here, right? Exactly what it says over here. I'm going to leave this video slide for 5 minutes. I document things, right? I write it down, okay? Documentation, thinking out loud, and planning things is the best way to learn things, okay? Best way to accomplish it. When you write things down, you give enough time to yourself, okay, to learn new skills, to learn new ways of doing things. But to remember this is to have fun with it, right? You have to have fun. You have to enjoy what you're doing. Now, in the beginning, it's a hobby. As you put more time into a hobby, it becomes if it moves forward, right? If it moves forward, it may become a money-making business, a side hustle, they call it. However you want to look at it. Whatever the case is, okay? Now, this is a very common saying in English. I'm going to crack this wide open when it comes to YouTube Shorts, okay? So understand this and then understand that. Practice, 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 practice. You don't need to be a rocket scientist, with all due respect, and you don't have to have a PhD, with all due respect. Okay? All right. This is going to be a very short video. It's okay. It's okay. You can read nothing in there. The screens are very short. Now, first of all, you need to choose your subject, right? You need to choose your subject, what your shorts will be on, which I did before I created this slide set. Now, we all know in the beginning that YouTube has certain rules and regulations about how many shorts you need to have in a day and how many seconds or how many minutes it needs to be, right? Anyway, look, it doesn't take a rocket scientist. You don't need to be one. You don't need a PhD degree. Just be yourself. Let me emphasize this to the general public, to every end user out there who's a non-technical or technical, okay? You don't need to be a Hollywood star. You don't need to be a Bollywood star, Lollywood star, and God knows other film industries are out there in the world. No. Be yourself. Be yourself. Let me repeat this. Be yourself. If you be yourself, You will enjoy doing this. You will like doing this, okay? The more you do, the better you get. Trust me on it, okay? So look, I have already created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, okay? I already have my subject matter, okay? It's the time that you need to execute your plans, okay? One at a time, all right? One at a time, all right? I was by myself. I don't have a huge crew, it's a one-man operator. It's just me, right? Me, my smartphone, my laptop, and my mindset. My mind is the greatest given power by the divine spirit, by God, by the universe and cosmos, by the elements, which I use. Mind. Okay? Mind. And creative and proactive, thinking outside the box, and troubleshooting it as I go along. Okay? As I go along. So it's done, right? Trust me. And now I'm going to show you something else. All right, so this is my channel, Right Tools for Right Job. This is in the content tab, and these are the shorts right here. Okay? It's very simple. So guess what? We're going to do this today. All right, once you have the short right here, okay, give it a title. This link, you can share this link with your friends. It's not a rocket science. It's very easy. And then you go from there. Okay? And I'm going to keep this shorts in my original raw format, which the way I like it, which the way I enjoy it. It's simple as that. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Till next time.